If you are emotionally stressed, facing negativity, or searching for healing, peace, and inner calm, this meditation is for you. As Jesus once said, "Forgive until 70 times 7. And even when he was betrayed, scorned, and nailed to the cross, he did not return anger, but spoke words that echo through eternity. "Father, forgive them, for they know not what they do." This powerful meditation is based on the book The Silence, What It Is and How to Use It by David V. Bush, a speaker, healer, and spiritual teacher who believed in the healing force of thought, forgiveness, and the subconscious mind. In this practice, you will learn how to speak to your inner self, to command peace, protect your energy, and let love guide your life. My subconscious mind, I desire and command you to create peace, harmony, and justice in me and in the hearts of people all around the world. I believe in the power of right thinking. I know that no one can harm me with their thoughts unless I allow fear to take over. And I choose not to be afraid. I choose love. I choose peace. I understand now. Thoughts are energy, and positive thoughts are far more powerful than negative ones. My subconscious mind, I desire and command you to fill me with thoughts that are strong, kind, and full of light. I send out peace to everyone, even to those who may wish me harm, because I know this truth. Love is stronger than hate. Peace is stronger than conflict. Kindness is stronger than revenge. If anyone is thinking badly of me, trying to block my path, or harm my name, I don't need to fear them, because my peaceful, loving thoughts will protect me. My good thoughts will break through their negative energy like sunlight breaks through clouds. My subconscious mind, I desire and command you to protect me with peace. Let no evil thought reach me. Let no darkness touch me. Fill me with calm, confidence, and light. If someone is against me, I bless them. Yes, I bless even those who speak against me, because I know, deep in my heart, they are acting from their own pain. They do not know what they are doing. I remember the words of the greatest teacher who said, "Forgive them, for they know not what they do." And he also said, "Forgive, not once, but 70 times 7. So I forgive. I release. I let go, not for them, but for my peace. My subconscious mind, I desire and command you to help me send out love, even when I'm hurting. Let me stay kind, even when others are unkind. Let me stay soft, even when the world feels hard. I know now, what others send out, they will receive back. If they send out anger, they will harvest pain. If I send out love, I will harvest peace. So I choose to think only good thoughts. I choose to think thoughts of peace, hope, and healing. My subconscious mind, I desire and command you to keep my heart open, soft, and full of strength. Let peace, harmony, and justice rule in my life and in the world. Now, I relax. I take a deep breath. I let go of all worry. I rest in silence. I wait in peace. I feel calm, safe, and protected. As I send out love, love returns to me. As I send out harmony, harmony surrounds me. As I send out peace, peace fills my life. I feel my spirit rising. My energy is clean. My heart is light. I am protected. I am calm. I am blessed. My subconscious mind, I desire and command you to keep me safe from all harm. Turn every harmful intention sent my way into a blessing. Let all things, even those meant for my hurt, become stepping stones to my highest good. Even the people who try to block my path are teaching me. I wish them healing. I wish them growth. May they learn their lessons in peace. I do not wish them harm. I do not carry anger. The law of life will take care of them, and I will stay at peace. I breathe slowly. I feel love moving through me. I feel light in my soul. My subconscious mind, I desire and command you to let peace, harmony, and justice reign in me and in the hearts of all people. I am at rest. I am relaxed. I am listening within, and I hear the voice of love. I feel the return of every good thought I have sent out. I now know Nothing sent to harm me can touch me. Nothing negative can live in my space. I am surrounded by light. I send out blessings again to all of humanity, to those who love me and to those who don't. My wish is peace for all. My prayer is love for all. My hope is healing for all. My subconscious mind, I desire and command you to have peace, harmony, and justice reign, now and always, in my life, in the lives of others, in the world. And so it is.